Hello everyone, this is Amit Aura from Ecovisionnaire. Continuing with my most expected topic series, today I have government budget for you. This is unit 4 from macroeconomics. Let us start with the must-do topics from this unit. So first topic which you have to cover, students, that is objectives of government budget. There are 4 to 5 main objectives of government budget, but the most important ones are the first two: redistribution of income and wealth and reallocation of resources. If the question asks to identify, you can easily identify if it is talking about bridging the gap between rich and poor or helping the poor. It is redistribution of income and wealth. And if it is something to discourage or encourage a commodity using subsidies and taxes, then it is reallocation of resources. Third objective which you have to cover is economic growth, and fourth is economic stability or stabilization measures. Managing a public sector undertaking can also be one of the objectives, but we have 4 most important objectives. I'll repeat myself. 1, we have redistribution of income and wealth. Second, we have reallocation of resources. Third, we have economic growth. Fourth, we have economic stability. And then we have managing of public sector undertakings. Mostly they'll ask you to identify the objective and explain. Easy question, but expected. Classify the following as revenue or capital receipt or expenditure. Is it the revenue outflow or capital outflow of the government, or it is revenue inflow or capital inflow of the government? You have to identify and then give the reason. So reason is also very easy. If it creates a liability or reduces an asset, it's a capital receipt. If it neither creates a liability nor reduces an asset, it is a revenue receipt. Similarly, in expenditure, if it reduces a liability or increases an asset or creates an asset, it is a capital expenditure. If it doesn't do that, it's a revenue expenditure. Coming to topic number 3, which is again most expected, and we see in the sample papers also numericals are given for budgetary deficit. So there are 3 budgetary deficits in the syllabus: revenue, fiscal and primary deficits. So they'll be asking you to calculate, giving a numerical question. Last very important must do topic is fiscal deficit always inflationary, as fiscal deficit causes borrowings, and borrowings when spent in the country can lead to inflation. So but our answer will be not necessary. If that borrowing is used for consumption purpose and it creates additional demand, then of course it's inflationary. If that borrowing is used to increase the aggregate supply or spent on infrastructure or spent to increase the productive capacity of the country, then it is not inflationary. So you need to cover all these 4 topics to get full marks in government budget. So we'll be discussing balance of payment next. All the best for your exams.